Hello, today we will guide you through how to create and publish Facebook Reels from Meta Business Suite. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to start a Facebook Reel directly from Meta Business Suite, add your video, include a description, and move through the final publishing process. This is a useful option if you manage content for a business page and want a simple way to create and post Reels from your desktop. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you're on the correct business account or Facebook page. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to get oriented. Meta Business Suite is where you can manage content, scheduling, and activity for your page all in one place. From there, look for the option labeled Create Reel and click it. This will open the Reel Composer, which is the workspace where you'll prepare your post before publishing. If you don't immediately see the option, it may be located within a Create menu or a Content section, depending on your layout. Once the Reel Composer opens, click Add Video. This is where you'll upload the video file you want to use for your Facebook Reel. Choose the correct file from your computer and allow it a moment to upload. Upload time can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the video, so it's a good idea to wait until the upload is fully complete before moving on. After your video has been added, enter your description in the text field provided. This is the caption that viewers will see with your reel, so keep it clear and relevant to the content of your video. A strong description can help provide context and improve engagement, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds to review it for clarity and tone before continuing. When everything looks good, click Next in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the next stage of the publishing flow. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete your reel setup and publish it. Depending on your account settings, you may see options related to final review, publishing preferences, or confirmation before the reel goes live. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly double-check your video, description, and any visible settings to make sure everything is accurate. Once you've completed the prompts on screen, your Facebook Reel will be ready to publish from Meta Business Suite. That's it. You've now seen how to create and publish a Facebook Reel using Meta Business Suite.